Okay, in this section of my video, I'm going to discuss about how we gonna create a specific codes for us to assign with specific resources so that we can achieve those resources, incorporate into our report so that we can have more controllability on our resources. So this is a continuation part of the resource retrieving previous video. I'm going to now in the enterprise section to create a resource code for this purpose. So in the enterprise menu of the application, we have resource codes there. Then we gonna click that one, and here we can create a resource code from the selected groups for us to have a specific category or grouping. So let's go with the classification part. In the classification section, we can add another new classification so that we can assign with. I will give the resource code value as MMGP for this project. Then here let me give a description for it. MMGP material. Then we have finished this one, and we close this part of the section. We go to the enterprise section of the project again, and we go to in the resource section. So here in the resource section, we have resource ID, resource name, resource type, units of measure, primary role, and default units. But I need codes to choose in between, so I will go with the column section of this part. Then click on customize. Here on the you get the resource code on the available options, so you're gonna click that one and choose classifications, and you will pass this to the group, the columns. So I will put it at the end of the section, and I will apply this change, then okay. So after we have the classification here, now we can assign for some resources that I want to incorporate to on my report. So here I can give here the classification values as MMGP. Then I will click that one. Then it's or become assigned with that value. So I will choose this one here. Okay, finally I have filled all of the materials that I required in this report. So I given the classification as MMGP. So now I am going to create on the report. So let's first go to the activity section of the project, and in this section I will go to the tools menu section of the application, and I will go to with reports, then go with the wizard, report wizard. So let's create a new report. I'm going to click on this new report section, then on activity and resource assignment I will click on that, and next. Here I will click again next. Then on the column section, let's give here some basic column section so that we can have the information for our reports. So here for in the general section, and I will bring some important fields for my columns. First I will need the WS value first, then the activity ID. I have the activity name here, and let me change this start and finish with planned start dates and planned finish date, and also I need the from the duration menu I need the original duration for this work, original duration, planned start and planned finish. From the general menu again, I need units of measure for the planned units of the material. From the units we are going to take budget units for this project, then units, budgeted units. So now I have the WBS, activity ID, activity name, units of measure, budgeted units, original duration, start and finish of the project column sections for my report. Then I will apply this change and I will click on OK. Then I will go to the group and sort field, and I will go there, and I need the grouping of this report section to be used using the resource ID, name, label. So that is okay with me, and I will change only the color here to make it as a black. Then okay, then I will apply this change, then okay. Then on the filter section here, with this filter parameters, I will choose from all of the following where the resource type is equal to material, and I will add another parameter so that using the created resource code. So I will click on here and I go with the classification is under where the value is we can apply the change. Then okay, then let's go to the next section. Here I will give the name for the report sheet. So okay, then next, then we are going to run the report. Then on here we can see the preview. So this report will help you even to follow each activity materials to be delivered on site, so that you can have a more ability to follow your resources accordingly. So in such a way you can create different kind of reports so that you can have a more controllability on your resources, usage, efficiency, procurement issues in your project. Click OK so that I can look the reports after I save my reports, so that I can access from the report section of program. So to have the saved reports, you can go to the tools menu on the report section. You can have the here on the report section. You can click on that, and resource usage part of the project. You can have here MMG project material requirement sheet. So you can run the report from there also, where if you want it. So you can preview it first so that you can access every time when you want the report. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you will find it very useful. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow. So thank you very much. Bye bye.